Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by drying the area and inspecting the damage thoroughly with a flashlight. Identify leaks by watching for moisture for 5 to 10 minutes after drying. Measure the damage span and add 3 to 4 inches of tape for proper overlap and seal. Remove old tape, dirt, grease, or paint using rubbing alcohol and a scraper tool. Ensure the temperature is above 40 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal adhesion. This assessment prepares you for a clean, durable repair using waterproof tape. Select waterproof tape rated for the material and environmental exposure expected. Cut the tape to length and add 3 to 4 inches for overlap at each seam. Round the tape corners to reduce peeling and crease slightly for sealing around curves and edges. Clean the surface with rubbing alcohol and remove all residue until it is completely dry. Align the tape carefully before contact and avoid touching the adhesive with bare fingers. Preparing the tape and surface increases longevity and prevents premature failure. Peel the backing and position the tape, then press it down firmly from the center outward. Smooth the tape to remove air bubbles and ensure full contact across the entire surface. Overlap seams by at least 1/2 inch and press the overlapping edges together tightly for a continuous seal. Use a rubber roller or a hard squeegee to apply consistent pressure along the tape length. Optionally heat the tape lightly with a heat gun on low to improve adhesion and conform it to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.